Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going over Q2 of the weekly daily bi-weekly contest 115. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, and let me know what you think about this farm. So this one I think was kind of it is a weird farm. And the reason why I say that is because I think the biggest part about this farm is in the constraints, which is kind of crappy to be honest. The n is small, which is fine, but I don't even think I took advantage of it. I think the biggest thing is that groups of I is equal to 0 or 1 or 2. Um, I really don't know that it is mentioned anywhere else, which is kind of unfortunate, right? Because I think that's the biggest thing. But in any case, ignoring the words for now, that just means that now you have, you can go from 0 to 1 to 0 to 1, 0. So there are really only two ways to kind of construct a subsequence, right? It, like I said, it begins with 0 and then goes 0, 1, and then has to be the 1. And of course, you want, in a greedy way, you want the one that's closest to the last 0, and so then same logic and goes on to 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. And then the other one you can try is starting from 1 first, so the first number is 1, and then go it that way. I think actually you could probably have also greedy it, to be frank, meaning that you just take the one that is longest and put in the beginning. But I didn't want to think about it during the contest or the virtual contest that I did because I don't know, I didn't want to prove it, but I think that should be true. So I kind of did it both ways. I I started with kicking off 0, kicking off with 1, and I just chose the one with the longer length. So pretty lazy way of doing it, but it's still linear time as long as this is linear, and this is just very standard um, two pointers kind of thing, right? Basically, you start at the start one, so then you move the pointer to on the start. So let's say it was 0, you move the pointer to 0, and then the next thing you move the pointer on the 1. You keep going until you pass the 0 pointer. You keep on doing that, and then you just kind of keep on, That's pretty much it. I don't think I did a very clean code, and it took a long time doing the virtual contest just because I got a little confused, and also I had to debug because I kind of missed the statement, so it was going to the next number, and then it was off by 1. You can see it in the live video, but overall, the general idea is just proof force starting with 0 and then 1, and that's pretty much it because you only have two things. So yeah, let me know what you think, and you could watch me solve it live in the contest. Now, I'm not even that confident that this is right, but I'm just going to YOLO it. I think you could have just like done it with n square thing that or something like this, but I kind of optimized it prematurely, and that's why. Let's take a look at this, and these are what is the difference between Q2 and Q3? I don't know actually. Okay, let's just look at Q2 then. Given an integer n, and okay, words and groups, okay. Longest subsequence from an array of indexes such that, okay, the sorted, not sorted, but the in order subsequence having length k and group sub j is not equal to how do I do focus mode? People keep on pinging me. Okay. So the adjacent ones are not the same for some subsequence. Okay. So for 0, 0, 1, and then longest subsequence. Okay, so just any longest subsequence. And then here you can do ABC. So it has to be at least or at worst alternating. Is there greedy? I guess 100. That's fine. What's the difference between this one? I guess they're the same. They're just kind of, the computer's loading them in a weird way. Wait, is it? Oh no, there's also some Hamming distance thing. But okay, let's actually focus on this then. It's really weird the way they're doing these things. But okay. N is equal to 100. What do we want that to mean? Oh, groups is only 1 and or 0 and 1. They don't mention this at all in the that's kind of shady. Okay, so if it's 0 and 1, then it is it just greedy? I think it is just greedy. Is it just greedy? It should be, right? If it's just 0 and 1, you can't really choose any other things, so you always just choose greedy, right? Okay, yeah. This is really weird though. For word G and then over. Oops. Well. Right, so something like that, right? And then now, do we always choose the earliest one? I guess it doesn't. Let's just go. Start, right? And then basically, yeah. Then for 0, while this is kind of yucky. Current is going to start. My keyboard's a little sticky. I don't even know why. So we want to get from here, right? Now it's to go to or now in the word, right? So we want some answers. And now I guess we'll just have to copy another one. All right. And then we actually want to make it into a deck. Why not? While we're doing it. Man, I'm really slow today. This is only Q2. Pop left, right? So while A of current, while length of this is greater than 0, we pop left. Yeah. Right? And A sub current of the first element. If this is current is something else. Last is equal to -1, and this is if last is greater than it, then we pop. Oops, what the hell? And then wow. I think this is also true. We needed to do it. Okay, and then yeah, and then current is definitely not on my optimal game here. Then answer.append A of current of the beginning. And then the first element. isn't even quite right. This is the okay. And then now we pop left, and we set last is equal to after we pop left. Okay. And we return answer. And now we got whatever we get 0, A2 is equal to get 1. If length of A1 is longer, return A1, otherwise we return A2. Should be okay. I mean, coding, the idea should be okay, the coding might not be. Answer that pop left. Oh, why would answer be that pop left? This is so bad, Larry. EB, ABC. I'm just going to YOLO submit. I'm too tired to think about this. I don't know if I'm getting this. I mean, this should be 2. I don't know why I'm doing 1. I mean, I don't know why I'm doing 3, so I'm definitely having a silly mistake here. Definitely on my part. So if we start at 1, what am I doing? So you start at 0, and then you go to last. Oh, I think we pop on this. That's why, maybe. Nope. Why? We start at 0. We pop. And then we set the last as equal to this. Add the word, and then we go to 1. Wait, 1. Okay, fine. So 0B, and then K. Why K? Oh. Oh, I see. So else we break. I was thinking that this would actually get rid of it, but I think I could have made a silly mistake here somewhere. Or I just kind of made a logical error. I need sleep. Where's my other print statement? Oh no, I didn't print anything else. Okay. Let's give it a submit. Hopefully this fixes it. I was just really silly on that one. Alright. Let's do Q3. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem, this contest, everything in between. Kind of tricky one. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, do your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.